Welcome. We learned SVM draws a separating line. Now today we will answer one question. Why does SVM want this line with maximum margin? Because real data is not perfect. Small changes happen every day. Margin helps the boundary stay more reliable. Think of two lanes on the road. The line between them is the divider. If the divider is very thin, a small drift can cause trouble. But if there is a wide, empty space in the middle, it feels safe. That empty space is the same idea as margin. An image, look at this. Like there is two images with thin divider and wide divider, which feels more safe. Let's define margin clearly. The middle line is the decision boundary. Margin is the empty space around it. You can imagine two extra lines, one on each side, making a corridor. The bigger the corridor, the more breathing space the boundary has. Look, if point comes closer to boundary, what happens to the margin? It becomes smaller. We have two different separating lines. Both can separate today's data. Option A goes very close to some points. Option B stays more in the middle. Now imagine tomorrow the points move a little. Option A can fail quickly. Option B usually stays okay. A or B? Which one will survive small changes better? Now a simple thought. Tomorrow we will get new data. It will be similar but not exactly same. If the boundary is too tight, small shift can crosses the line. That creates wrong predictions. If margin is wide, small shifts usually don't change the side. So predictions stay more consistent. If data shifts a little, do you want a tight boundary or a roomy boundary with a great space? Look at first picture. Then see the second where data shifts slightly. With small margin, the boundary is sitting too close. So even a small shift can make some points cross the line. With large margin, the boundary has extra space. So same small shift does not break the separation. Here, boundary is safe. Now, a real example. Spam emails. Some emails are very close to the boundary. Maybe the subject line changes a little. If margin is tiny, small changes can flip the prediction. Today, not spam, tomorrow spam. A wider margin makes decisions less jumpy. Clear emails stay clear. Only boundary line emails stay near the line. In your inbox, should one small word change flip the result? Usually, no. Now the full meaning in one line. If many separating lines are possible, SVM chooses the one with the largest empty space between the two groups. This makes the model more stable when real data changes a little. That's why maximum margin matters. Thank you for watching.